Welcome to practice set number 5 for AP Final Self-Guided Multiple Choice Review. Number 1 is dealing with random integer generation. They wanted a random number between 10 and 30. The unfortunate thing with number 1 is literally you just need the formula. And if you don't know the formula, you're kind of sunk. The formula that you need, something to keep in those memory banks. There's an int and then math dot random parenthesis, times high minus low plus 1 and then plus low. Okay, so 30 minus 10 plus 1 plus 10. Now, with that, I can immediately cross off D, B, and A because there's a 10 at the back, right? Now I got to figure out what's the number on the inside. 30 minus 10, 20, plus 1, 21. Answer, E. That one's quite fast if you know the formula. If you don't know the formula, it does take a little bit. Number 2 is dealing with inheritance. I am going to skip past all of that code because I want to know the actual problem that I'm solving. What output is produced by running the following code segment in a class other than mystery or mystery 2? Mystery 1 M1 equals new mystery 2 M1.demo. Notice that there is a bunch of information there. The one thing I noticed is there's nothing about compile time. If there's ever an inheritance problem and it talks about in compile time, make sure that your parent class has all the same methods as your child class. Otherwise, there are compile errors. We've talked about those many times in class. This one, though, is just a simple creation, and you're seeing what's printing. This one, Mystery 1 M1, and at runtime, then he's a mystery 2. So mystery 2's constructor has to happen first because it is being created of an object. Looking at the constructor of mystery 2, there is something that's kind of hiding right now. There is a super call that is hiding there. If there is not a super call inside the child's class's constructor, we need to have it, and it will actually run the superclasses constructor automatically. So first, what's going to print for us is Enigma. Then I'm going to go back and we're going to print Stumper. Okay, so now I'm going to take a look. My answers, well, it's only C or D. So now we're going to do M1.demo. So I'm going to go to the mystery 2 demo area because he is a mystery 2. I'm supposed to print challenge. And then I got to go to super.demo, which is the mystery 1 demo. That's puzzle. So Enigma Stumper Challenge Puzzle is what I'm looking for. Is D for an answer. For number 3, again, I'm just going to read this at the bottom. What is printed when the code segment is executed? No shortcut on this one, really. So I got to look through here. It's an array list. It has computer science, math, English, history, band, theater, chemistry. Okay, we're counting something. This is a for each loop. This for each loop right here is going to make title every single title of the subject. So title will be first computer science, then math, then English, so on and so forth. If title.index of E is greater than or equal to 0, this code right here is basically them asking, is there an E? Okay, that is what they're saying there because that's why it's greater than or equal to 0. Index of returns the index of whatever's in the quotation marks. It's wondering, does title contain E? If that is, we're going to add 1 to count. So let's go in here. We know computer science, that has an E. Math does not. English has an E, but it's capital E. We need a lowercase, right? History, no. Band, no. Theater, yes. Chemistry, yes. I counted 3. I print 3. And that is the end of practice set number 5.